Hello guys, let's check this out. A small part of the big house, big mansion in the heart of White Rock. Come on, lead. That's all gonna be your private. This is the main entrance for you from the main street. And if you want to have a small conversation with the Amazon guy, you can sit here and discuss the quality of your order. So come inside. Very wide corridor, closet for your winter clothes, huge deck with brand new washers, easy to close, easy to open, very bright room. And this is only beginning of this beautiful unit. Now we are in a main room where the whole family can gather together and eat your dinners, breakfast, suppers, everything. Normal size of fridge, even beer inside, guys, so very welcome. Unit is waiting for you. Beautiful suite with appliances is over here. You don't need to buy anything. So guys, let's check this out, the cleanest part, because it's super clean and fancy. Follow me. Master bedroom, huge queen bedroom with everything you need for good sleep. Normal window, as I said, it's not a basement, it's a ground level suite, so you have absolutely normal window, normal heat. It's not dark place, it's like absolutely normal living place with many pictures and huge closet. Dress for success. Don't forget to pay to have a look at the bathroom. Some fancy stuff. You can sit here warm. A small TV for better having your lunch. Queen bed, but now you can see it as a couch. Also very normal windows with enough lights. This is dark right now because it's a deep evening, almost 10 p.m. But you see still we have some light from the window. Come on here. Features are everywhere. Just check this vase, like a piece of art. This is not a suite, but teeny Buddha is this place we can consider as a office desk, workplace, wherever. If you want to make your makeup, it's also possible over here. And check this out, washroom without shower, but look at this black and red colors. This mix make me really excited. And these colors we can find also in the media room. And very welcome to the most interesting, spacious place in the area. Media room, available only for long-term period. So if you want to take in rent the house, this part would be closed. But as I said, for long-term tenants, this is included in the price. And beside of this huge screen with a perfect picture, great sound, fantastic acoustic, and special ambient light. What we have else? We have a separate entrance to the deck. This is outside area, ground level area. You can make here a barbecue, or I don't know, play even some small games maybe with your kids. This is only belongs to the tenants, so the owners who lives upstairs doesn't need this area at all, and there is no any like balconies, so you are totally private over here. Look at this amazing backyard, a lot of space for soccer, with play with your kids, maybe volleyball, some other active sports. This place is shareable with the owners who live upstairs. This is a barbecue. Consider it as a gift for you from the owners. You can use it, just top up the propane, the gas, and have a rest with this nice garden furniture. And please have a look on this fancy stuff. This is your personal garden garden guy who trims the lawn automatically. If you are interested in this suite, if you want to live in the walk distance to the main promenade in White Rock with stunning views on Bakery Mountain, European restaurants, nice shops, coffee shops, everything you need is over here. Just walk distance and you will be able to check it out in a minute. So just a suite in White Rock. It's an art museum with many small pieces, small details which always increase your mood every day. Look at this doggy. He want to treat you with an alcohol drink, alcohol cocktail. Everything works good. We've checked it out by ourselves. Even this fancy fridge with a beautiful light for best temperature of your glass of wine. Any questions? I really invite you to watch it by your own eyes. So what do you think about our filming?
Wow, amazing house.